turn it a little bit slightly over. Oh, don't worry about it, then they have to get out of your way. So you don't have to worry about anything. All you have to worry about is the wind, and you're heading right for it, mate. Oh yes, that's the angle. Straight down that coast there.
So this is it. This is
it.
This is a close reach, and there's a broad reach, and there's another one. That means that's close, that's broad, and there's another one which I can't remember what it is. You know, all these terms, collection of technology.
Do you know something? You can worry about all that for a long time, or you can just get out there and do what you're doing now, sailing. And that's exactly what you're doing. Except you're missing the wind again. Get back over there.
I'm going to turn it around now. I realise that.
Yeah, I feel it.
I tell you what, it's a wonder it's not packed out here.
There's no wind. That's why it's not packed.
The first time though for a very long time, anybody'd be able to go anywhere.
See, I'm hoping they are not. See, all those seagulls, they're not eating that body, are they?
Here's the hooligans.
They're so quick, aren't they?
Could you get my phone on?
Yeah, of course.
Please. This is for the lads who never come out. They're all armchairs for the sailors. They all know all about it, but they don't ever come up. They don't ever go anywhere. So I'm getting my own back.
Well, I'm glad I ran into you today, Les. I've really enjoyed
Not
it.
as glad as I am. Right, let's have a look.
Really enjoyed
Right,
it.
Richard, let's have a look. Where's me?
That's what I'm saying. I ain't going out by yourself.
Let's have a look. Right, let's have a look. Morning, everybody. It's Richard and I.